Hey everyone, I'm Max Dalton, and in this video I'll show you how to install Xbox Game Pass for PC on your computer. Microsoft rolled out Xbox Game Pass for PC in mid-2019. Similar to Game Pass for Xbox, Xbox Game Pass for PC gives subscribers access to a large library of games they can install on their PC and play at no additional cost outside of the Xbox Game Pass for PC subscription. It's important to note that to install Xbox Game Pass for PC on your computer, you need to be running Windows version 1903, also known as the May 2019 update. As of mid-June 2019, this update hasn't rolled out to all Windows users, and you may need to use the Windows Update tool to install this version of Windows OS if you don't have it already. Now let's walk through the steps to install Xbox Game Pass for PC on your computer. Step 1. Open a web browser, navigate to xbox.com, and then sign in using your Xbox account. Step 2. Click the Game Pass dropdown in the menu along the top of the screen to open a menu. Choose PC Games Plan. The Xbox Game Pass for PC screen appears. Step 3. Click Get Started in one of the locations it appears on the screen. A How to Get Started for Xbox Game Pass for PC screen appears. Step 4. Click Download the app and then download the Xbox Game Pass for PC installer on your computer. Launch the installer. The Xbox installer appears on your screen. Step 5. Click to place a checkmark in the box acknowledging that you've read the Microsoft software license terms and then click Install. A screen with a progress bar is displayed while Xbox Game Pass for PC is being installed. When the installation is complete, a message appears informing you that the installation is done and it's time to play. Click Let's Go. An Xbox logo appears on the screen for a period of time before a window with a sign-in prompt appears. Step 6. Click Sign in the window. A sign-in screen loads. A list of known Microsoft accounts will be listed for you to choose to sign in with. Or you can choose to sign in with a different Microsoft account. In this example, I'll choose to sign in with an existing account and then click Continue. A screen appears displaying the Microsoft gamertag and profile picture for the Xbox Live account associated with the Microsoft account you logged in with. Step 7. Click Let's Play. You'll be taken to the Xbox Game Pass for PC home screen. Step 8. To sign up for Xbox Game Pass for PC, click the Join Now link on the screen if you see it. An Xbox Game Pass for PC sign-up screen appears. If you don't see the Join Now link, click any of the games on the screen to open an information screen for that game and then click Play with Game Pass. You'll arrive at the Xbox Game Pass for PC sign-up screen. Step 9. Click the drop-down arrow on the sign-up duration field, and then choose how long you want to sign up for Xbox Game Pass for PC, and then click Get Xbox Game Pass for PC. A window appears asking you to choose your payment method and explaining that your Xbox Game Pass for PC subscription will be renewed every month. Click Subscribe. A message appears thanking you for your purchase. Click Explore Games. You'll be returned to the Xbox Game Pass for PC home screen, but now, when you click on games, you'll see the option to install them. You can access Xbox Game Pass for PC at any time through the Windows Start menu by launching the Xbox app. Thanks for watching. Leave your thoughts and questions in the comment section below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video link on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to subscribe to this channel to see more great videos like this one.